Oh, so this one, this is the EMR one to Skeggy. It's coming back now. I think it's either class 170 or 203. I always get mixed up with them. I'll have to see if I can see on side. I think it's a 203, that one. So that one is off to Skegness. Sunny Skeggy, yeah? Skeg Vegas. Does anyone remember calling that Skeg Vegas when you were younger? I'm gonna Skeg Vegas. It sounded very cool, like you were like in America or something. Like you were very good. The old Skeg Vegas, eh? Hey, it's getting a bit chilly here now. Flipping might need another latte soon. Get drinks out. That's off. That's off.